Alright, hello. So, I made it to my spot. The spot I always go to. I'm gonna show it. I'm sitting here on the ground. I like to just sit here, just ponder. Usually I face the other way, but I wanted to get the motorcycle and the flag in the background. So I thought that we would have a quick little chat about fear and why it is, and what it's like for people who don't understand the feeling of it. Think of having like 1,000 different thoughts race through your head. So you have risk assessment, you have quantifying different things such as gain, benefit, things that could hurt you, people's agendas, plight, cultural differences. Am I doing the right thing, saying the right thing? Am I second guessing myself? Am I too confident? Am I being respectful of the culture? And this and that. So you have all these thoughts that you have to when you're living in a different country. Now, the more older you get, the more you're able to train and internalize and turn off certain channels. You're able to push that fear down, and you're able to just focus through sheer will on the task at hand. So whatever that task might be, standing in front of a classroom full of kids giving a presentation, to standing on the edge of a mountain and looking down. Fear will make or break you. Relationships too. A lot of people don't give credit to the signs that people give in relationships. The ability to be able to read human nature when it comes to relationships. And that could be from friends, and that could be from like dating, marriage, love. People give cues. People aren't complicated creatures. Like, we're pretty easy to understand. It's the most subtle things that usually will tell you the most about people. It's the small things, the little details that get overlooked by the uninitiated. But if you know what you're looking for, you usually see. I guess the point of this is just on Thanksgiving, I hope for courage, and I'm thankful for this view. I'm thankful for this life. Goodbye.